All right guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to take one basic skateboard trick and turn it into many tricks. So this is something that I don't think I've ever made a video on. I don't think I've ever even seen. I'm gonna wait for those bells. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to take one basic skateboard trick and turn it into many tricks. This is partially how I learned how to skate and how I learned how to do many different tricks. And I just wanted to pass this knowledge, this advice along to you. So the first trick I'm gonna start with is a backside 180. You can learn this trick, you can get all the tricks down. I've made many videos on the backside 180. There's a few things I'm gonna point out on it, and then I'm gonna turn that backside 180 into many different tricks, and I'll show you exactly the exact progression, how I think about it, and how you can learn many skateboard tricks fast. So the backside 180, you're landing heavy on your front foot and pivoting. It's really important to understand that. You'll see why later in the video. So here we go. And I'm gonna purposely do one that's not popped around full 180, purposely landing on the front foot. Now I'll do like a better full backside 180 one. So that's the first trick. That's our starting point. So get a good backside 180 down. Now watch what I do from here. So now I'm gonna take that exact same trick. These are the same exact motions of the backside 180, and I'm gonna do it going fakie. You ready? Fakie. Fakie backside. This is called a half cab. It is the exact same rotation. Instead of going forward, we're going fakie. You see how my upper body is turning the exact same direction? It's literally the same. Good. Now, because when you learn to do the backside 180, you learn to pivot off of your front foot. So I'm gonna show you something that's super important and really vital. I'm gonna do the pivot again just to show you. Okay, so now you learned that when you learned a backside 180. So now we're gonna take that half cab and we're gonna do a half cab and then a backside 180 all in the air. Well, not all in the air, but you're gonna pivot it. And we're gonna turn your backside 180 into backside 180, fakie half cab, fakie full cab. You ready? First, I'm gonna show you slow, break it down. Half cab, backside pivot. We're gonna put those together. Full cab. You're like, wow, you just learned backside 180, fakie half cab, fakie full cab. 3 tricks in one, all because you mastered one basic trick. Super vital, super important, super key. Such a good filling trick. Super easy if you have those basic tricks down and you understand how to put them together. Without a good backside 180 that you can pivot, and without a half cab, you can't do that trick. So from there, if you learned a backside 180, you probably learned to shove it. So now watch, I'm gonna do the same sort of a motion, a little bit less of a body rotation, and I'm gonna do a Fakey Big Spin. Very similar, all very similar motions, and all stemming from the very basic original motion of a backside 180. In this trick, I'm doing almost exactly the same. I'm just adding in more of a scoop. So now I'm doing the same motion as this, half cab, with the motion of this. Truthfully, it's a little bit more because the board is technically doing a 360 shove it, but it's like this with that. And you can learn this trick originally with no pop. I'll show you what it looks like with 0 pop. It's just the same body rotation, the same turn, and we're building all upon those very basic fundamentals of the backside 180. Interesting, isn't it? Now I thought of another one. This is why I love making videos like this, because I did not plan to even do this, but now what is my next step where I could go, oh, you know what? If I can do that, if I can do a full cab by doing a half cab, landing on the nose and turning, and I can do a Fakey Big Spin, why don't I do a Fakey Big Spin, land on the nose and turn? This is a hard trick. It might take me a little while to get it, or I might get it first try because I've been working on it. But you'll see, not working on it, but because I showed you all those earlier practice steps. So to build up to this, I'm gonna do a Fakey Big Spin and a full cab, and I'm gonna show you how they fit together and how it all works. Watch. So it's that combined with, that's my second missed Fakey Big Spin. That's why we love skateboarding. Keep it real. It's interesting also. I would love to know in the comments below, when you guys ride Fakey, do you go off your tail or do you go off your nose? Usually on this one, I'll go off my tail, but because I want a wider motion or wider spot to be able to land with my front foot and pivot, on this one, I'm gonna practice off the nose. So here we go off the nose. So I'm gonna do that, land there, and pivot. So watch this. One more practice. Also interesting, there's ever so slight of an angle. And for some reason, I can do the Fakey Big Spin easier going that way. Why that is, I actually have no idea. Doesn't really matter. But an interesting thing to note, wherever you're skating, you'll sort of pick up on these little things. Fakey Big Spin. Then I'm gonna do that with a full cab. So same thing. Now we're adding full cab plus Fakey Big Spin. I think this is called like a blizzard. I don't know, whatever. It's a Fakey Big Spin revert. Wow, I almost got bodied. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna try it going this way now, just for fun. Yeah, I knew this would be a struggle. I knew this would take me a minute. Okay, just like that, but without the pause. It has to be a smooth rotation all the way around. I needed that. That felt tasty. Thank you very much. This is why we love skate math. These tricks can build up and they can get really quite hard. Okay, interesting, because I wanted to pop off the nose. Now I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna switch to popping off the tail. I need a little bit less pop, a little flatter of a spin. Now I got it. Wow, I forgot to pop. My bad. There we go. Fakey Big Spin, full cab. And then instantly, once you learn a basic trick, your mind should start going, what other tricks can we learn from this? So we started with a backside 180, then we did a Fakey half cab, then we did a Fakey full cab, then we did a Fakey Big Spin, and then we did a Fakey Big Spin revert or Fakey Big Spin full cab or blizzard spin or whatever it's called. That was 5 tricks coming from the core basic trick of just the backside 180. I hope that makes sense. I hope you guys can track and follow with that. And the second you learn one of these fundamental basic flat ground tricks, think like, gosh, where can we go from here? I'm gonna show you one more round of another trick that this one just instantly makes me think, gosh, it works so well because you learned the Fakey full cab. Now watch this. If you learn how to switch 180, it's a very similar motion to the half cab, and I'll show you how you can do a switch 360. I think very easy, especially if you have the Fakey full cab down. So give it a switch push Mongo if you like. Do a switch 180, same thing. You'll notice that when you pop a switch 180, it's the same motion when you land as it would be with a half cab. Half cab, switch 180. Your body position is exactly the same, and I'll show you how you can turn that into a new trick. I love teaching new people this stuff. Okay, watch, Fakey full cab. See how I turn off the nose? Some people don't even count this as a switch 3, but do it in a game of skate, it'll count. Switch 180. Pivot off the nose. Just pivot. Just make it go around. It's not all in the air. No. Is it the coolest trick ever? I think it's cool, but it counts. That one didn't count, that was bad. But you get the idea. You're taking these early steps that you learn early on. Fakey full cab, and now you turn it into a switch front 3. It really helps to understand how you're pivoting your shoulders, and it also helps to understand where your feet are. So on the switch front 3, I like to have my front foot kind of like that, almost like a heel flip, and my back foot there. Because when I pop it, I'm gonna turn and rotate like this. And I wanna land the 180 just like that, so then I can pivot. The amount of tricks you can learn from getting good at pivots is a lot. It's mind-blowing, it's actually so many. Okay, I was just thinking to myself, so we basically turned a backside 180 into backside 180, half cab, full cab, big spin, bigger spin. Switch 180 is kind of a different trick, maybe a little unfair to throw into this mix, and then switch front 3. But this is how my mind works. The second I learn something, I go, wow, that motion, I can do that. And I really start to think, this is how I learned switch 180 to nose manual. It's because of this motion right here. I got good at switch 180 to pivot, and then I went, well, if I could switch 180 to pivot, why couldn't I switch 180, land on the nose in nose manual? Truth is I can. And then I do that trick and I take it to a street spot, film it for my part. It's what I love about skateboarding. It's a natural progression. It's the way you think about the tricks. I'm really excited to teach all of you guys in 2025 how to do as many tricks as humanly possible. I love making videos like this, so please leave it in the comments below. What tricks do you know? What tricks are you working on? And what help do you need to learn more skateboarding tricks? Have an absolute blast getting out there, learning how to ride your skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.